Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher, Nancy Pandey. So, students, today we are going to complete the remaining exercise of chapter number 2, that is uses of plants. So open page number 26. In our previous video we had done the exercise A, B, C and D. Now we are going to do the exercise number E, that is answer the following questions. So students, let's read the question number first. Name any 5 vegetables we eat. Mention the parts of a plant eaten in each. So students, here you have to write name of any 5 vegetables that we eat, and you have to mention which part of the plant is it. So here you have to make 2 columns, the first column of vegetables and second part. So in the column of vegetables you have to write the name of the 5 vegetables, and in the column of part you have to write the part of plant which vegetable is. Like you have to make 2 column, first column vegetable, so below the vegetable column you have to write, below the vegetable you have to write potato, and now in the column of part you have to write stems because potato is the stems. Similarly, you have to write carrot in the vegetable column and roots in the part column, that is in second column. The next one is cabbage. So cabbage is the leaves of a plant, so you have to write leaves. And fourth vegetable is cauliflower, so it is a flowers. Groundnut is the seed, so you have to write like this. Now let's come to the question number 2. What are cereals? How are they different from pulses? So students, do you know what are cereals and how are they different from pulses? So students, in the answer of this question you have to write food grains of grass like plants such as rice, wheat, maize, barley and oat are known as cereals. Pulses are found inside pods while cereals are not found inside pods. Now let's come to the third question. What are spices? Give 2 examples of spices. So students, as you know that spices is usually a dried seed, fruit, root or bark that gives flavor to food. So the example of spices are cardamom and black pepper. Now let's come to the question number 4. What are fibers? Name any Name of two fibrous plant. So here you have to write a thin thread like material are called fibers. The example of fiber plants are cotton plant and jute. Now let's come to the question number 5. Give two uses of oil. So students, in the explanation of this chapter, I told you that oil is used for cooking food and oiling our hair. So these are the two uses of oil. Now let's recall. Recall and complete the concept map given below. Plants give us the following things. So students, here some missing words are given that we get from plants. Here you have to complete these missing words. The first one is fruits. So here you have to complete the spelling of fruits. That is Fruits. Now second one is coffee and tea. Here you have to complete the spelling of coffee and tea. COFFE coffee, TEA. Next is stems. STEMS stems. Below the stem, it is fibers. FIBRES fibers. The next one is wood. WOOD wood. Now at the end, soaps, toothpaste and perfumes. SOAPS soaps. TOOTH tooth, PASTES paste and PERFUMES perfumes. Now look at the right side. The first one is vegetables. 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 Next one is cereals and pulses. CEREALS cereals and PULSES pulses. Now look at the next one, oil. OIL oil. Next one is medicines. MEDICINES medicines. And the next one is paper, rubber and gum. PAPER paper, RUBBER rubber, GUM gum. Paper, rubber and gum. So these are the concept map that is completed now. Now let's observe. Observe the picture and answer the question that follow. Now students, look at the given picture. This is a picture of wheat. Now let's answer the questions that is given below. A. Name the plant. So students, the name of this plant is wheat. WHEAT, wheat. The next question. What type of food grains does it give us? So students, wheat are the example of cereals. So here you have to write cereals. CEREALS cereals. Now let's come to the C. What do we get when this food grain is ground? So students, when we ground wheat, we get flour. FLOUR, flour. So here you have to write FLOUR, flour. I hope you understand all these exercises by the help of this video. So students, you have to write this in your fair copy. The question answer is given in PDF, that is sent in your WhatsApp group. So you have to write the answer of this question from the PDF from your WhatsApp group. Okay, till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.